So as you can see, this is we're slowly getting there. You could tell the difference between the original versus mine. Okay, I'm not expecting to be perfect like them. That's not my goal. My goal is to keep everything intact. But as you can see, I'm just starting. I'm only in this section. This is definitely much harder than my BM because I've got two layers. I've got the plastic to go through, and then I've got the other layer to hit as well. Okay. I cheated on the BM, but I'll explain later on, I guess. But here's where I am so far, and I'm continuing along, okay? And I don't know. It depends on how much effort it takes, because A, it hurts my finger, and B, it's really cold, okay? So no matter what, I'll go all the way to the other side. I may stop there, and then another time continue on and then swing back so I can finish off the rest. But at least it's the top looks like it's in good shape. The side looks like it's getting there, but it's still okay. It's the bottom that I'm worried about because I don't want rain to come in, okay? So at least I'll get rid of the bottom problem, and then we'll go from there. But I have to admit, with being able to lift this up and doing it is a lot better than going in and out, in and out, in and out. Just because from here, it's really difficult to get in and do stuff. Do you know what I mean? Okay, guys. As you can see the difference between the original versus my handiwork. I'm not saying I'm good, but I'm a lot better than what I was before. And the good news is everything is intact, okay? I haven't finished the whole entire thing, but you guys get the point. At least now it's covered. Normally, if there's fabric underneath and fabric on top, what I would do is there's a fabric glue, right? That will melt the two fabric together, so that way it's a better protection. Unfortunately for this, it's just this, the plastic, and very little cloth underneath, so that won't do much, okay? But at least this is better than before. Enjoy. Better? I think it is. The good thing is I was actually able to tighten this up a little bit more, so that way the back looks even nicer, okay? Not perfect, because this plastic is still crap. Later on, I'll find a glass version and I'll film a replacement. But now, at least we've got that done, okay?